This is a 150 watt 12 volt DC solar panel. From solar panel, the wire comes here to solar charge controller, from where we charge the 12 volt battery. This is a 12 volt 75 ampere hour battery, and from the load we have connected various switches for lights and fan. So this is one switch for light. You can see this is a 12 volt DC fan. So here we have the switches for fan, from where we can switch on off. So this is switch off. Okay, here you can connect the mobile charger. So there is one charger connected here. Here we have connected one tube light, you can see, which we can switch on or off. So from here we can switch off, and from here again we can switch on, right?